the power wheel of 6 numbers, 7 to 8% win rate. This is for pick 3 players, Suertes, daily pick 3, and for all 3-digit worldwide or applicable for any country. Choose any number from 0 to 9. My choosing number 678023. I leveled it with A, B, C, D, E, F. For your guide, guys, the combination to bet on 023. This combination is generated on my chosen number. This 6 numbers is willed to get this 20 combination. You can just replace the A, B, C, D, E, F by your chosen number. And the first combination is 0, 2, 3. So D, E, F. Just put your chosen number. Substitute it on the letter. The power wheel of 6 numbers. This technique is to occupy more number with the lesser amount of combination. So more numbers, lesser wagering and bets, and of course lesser amount of losses. This wheel shows 15 numbers and 12 combination. Abbreviated wheels is composed only of 15 numbers, and these are my chosen numbers. 11 labeled by E, 22 labeled by B, 43 labeled by C, 14 labeled by D, 35 labeled by E, 36 labeled by F, 47 labeled by G, 08 labeled by H, 9 labeled by I, 10 labeled by J, 21 labeled by K, 42 labeled by L, 13 labeled by M, and labeled by N and O. Now, these 15 numbers will generate a 12 combination. Okay guys, you can just replace whatever number you have chosen on this letter and replace your number on the desired combination. So put example number 9. I just replace number 9. I just replaced number 9 with your corresponding number. So I just label and put here. Now, these 15 numbers and 12 combination has the probability of 4F6 ratio. This means if 6 are drawn, you are guaranteed 80% that you will win 4 numbers accurate will hit on the 12 combination you have chosen. The equally distribution trick. This trick is used for pick 3, daily 2, and any lottery game that involves 2-digit number. This is called equally distribution trick. Now, you have 15, 18, 26, 27 as your power number. Now, let's say I have chosen 21, 34, 1, 13, 25, 32, 15, 20, 25. Now, we will pair 15 to 21, 15 to 34, as you can see. 15, 1, 15, 13, 15, 25, 15, 32, 15, 15, 15, 20, 15, 25. Now, we are betting on a straight wins because this is equally distribution. 18 will be paired to 21, 18 to 34, 18 to 01. You can interchange on the exact combination, or you can play box plays or rumble plays. You can also do this on these three numbers. Just follow this guide, put your labeled letters here, A, B, C, D, and just replace your number on the desired letter level. I tested this, guys, in the Pick 2 lottery all the time. Okay, this is the famous identify the pattern technique. This is, guys, this is what we have been using for on other videos and some current or videos, because this is constant, this is permanent, it will not change. This is the balance of number patterns. Why? Because every number on 0 to 9 has its time to be drawn. In other words, one by one they will be drawn carefully. They will be drawn consistently according to what is trending, or according to what is already been drawn and drawed the list. Now, on these examples, let's say midday 397, evening 039, and 591 on the following day, 821, 556, 912, 769. Even you backtest this in your own country or local lottery or state, any lottery, you will see this pattern. I am 100% fully tested this. You will see a pattern, and you just need to identify what is the next number that will be drawn and make his pattern. You will catch what is the next pattern. Now let's see, 999, so there is 9. Okay, 3, 5, 1, 2. As you can see, there are no zeros, there are no 4. Okay, those will come out, so they are also known as cold numbers. Now they will be the next on the line. They are the next pattern to bet on. For our number one technique, of course, the martingale technique, because this is so powerful. By recapturing your losses, here is the guide to execute this technique. Okay, day 1 bet $1, winning example is $2. So let's say our bets is $1 per draw. Now the winning is $2. Okay, let's say we lose. On day 2 we also bet $2. Let's say we lose, but if we win on that day, our winning will be $4. You recapture the losses of the day 1, and of course you win $1. It's just a small $1. But the important thing is to win. No room for losses. Okay guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more guides and tips. Thank you.